Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll and find either the Google or Accounts and Backup. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me explain everything on this section. After tapping on it, we have to tap on Manage Accounts, which is at the top, and as you can see, we already have our Google account added. Let me quickly remove it. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to remove the Google account again, slowly with the explanation, but I just wanted to start with adding the account. So to add the account, we have to tap on this plus icon. Let's tap on it and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and of course confirm everything with your screen lock. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can tap on specific links and check the information. Then tap on I agree after the reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it. So all you have to do is to tap on the account and tap on remove account. Confirm it by tapping on remove account and tap on OK. You'll have to confirm everything with your pattern, and as you can see, we just successfully get rid of our Google account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.